Hi and welcome to the channel. This video is the second part of our day with Kittipong, exploring Phang and Surat, Thani. You'll find a link right here to part 1. Sorry, I switched it to portrait because this is just too good to try to get the other view. Okay, I think it's time for some gratuitous drone video. This was filmed along Route 401 at a pullout near the Cliff and River Jungle Resort. This is also the peak that you see in the preceding clip while we're driving down the road. We got back on the road again. We saw several places you could interact with elephants. Not really knowing whether or not this is really good for the animals, we didn't stop. I'm sure there are both positives and negatives. Kittipong knew me really well by this time. He took us down this road to see a rubber plantation, palm grove, and mangrove-lined rivers. He had already detailed what these particular palms were for. I wanted to get it recorded, and there was no better place than right in the middle of them.
The seed from palm, we make a cooking oil. That tree about 7 years old.
7 years.
Yes.
And you use it for, can you use it for cooking?
Cooking oil.
And
some little from the diesel.
biodiesel. Biodiesel?
Yeah. Only 7%. You see in Preston palm, 7% from palm oil.
7%.
Yeah.
And you were telling us about the Rama the 9th?
Yeah, Rama the 9th, he make 100% from palm to the engine, diesel engine. Is better.
It's better. Yep.
But now we not do because of we don't have not enough.
Enough. So it's 7%?
Enough or only 7%?
Yes. That's wonderful. Thank you. We saw these trees everywhere, and we knew that they had to be a reason they're in like an orchard type rows and very well manicured. We're not in a tourist location. He says he doesn't take tourists here.
This is an aerial view of that coconut grove, and you can see with the arrow where we were standing.
When we passed this, I wanted to make sure we stopped on the way back. And I'm checking for snakes while I'm filming this, of course. And I asked him if this was a temple, and he said no, this is more just a marker to honor the area. So this is a rubber grove, or not sure exactly what you would call it, orchard. But you can see the rubber collecting in the cups, and how the trees have been scored. We stopped at this Chinese temple, and he says it's very beautiful inside, but I don't believe it's all closed up. So I'm going to launch the drone here and get a couple of pictures. And there's a beautiful gate down at the entry road that I want to get a picture of when we leave.
When trying to find the Siang Song Yi Tai Temple, I didn't realize it was almost directly behind the Takua Pa market we visited.
So I think it was 2004. There was a tsunami here on the Andaman Sea, and this boat was brought up onto the shore by the wave, and we're a few hundred meters at least in from the beach, and that's a big boat. It's at least 40 meters, 120 feet, I would say. And here's another one. The other one's back over there. And this is the memorial. Banam Kem Tsunami Memorial Park, and there's a large wall over here reminiscent of the Vietnam Memorial in Washington, D.C. and it has, I believe he said, it has the names of all the people that died in the tsunami. I don't see a place with names, but there's a curve to that wall. Similar to what a wave would be like. So up close to the shore. There's a sitting Buddha.
This is the wall that has all the names on it.
Kittipong is such a nice man. He knew about this coconut stand, and he's getting one for both of us. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and share it, and please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're in Thailand in the Phang area, please consider giving him a call. He's a wonderful person, as I hope I've showed you.